automotive world is buzzing with excitement as BMW prepares to launch its highly anticipated 2025 BMW X9. This luxury SUV is set to redefine the standards of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. The X9 is expected to slot above the X7 in BMW's lineup, offering a more spacious and premium experience for those who demand the very best. With its bold design language, the X9 will feature a sleek, coupe-like roofline combined with the muscular stance of a traditional SUV. The front grille, though large, is elegantly integrated into the design, flanked by slim LED headlights that give it a futuristic look. The overall aesthetic is aggressive yet refined, making it a head-turner on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW X9 is rumored to pack a powerful range of engine options. The base model could come with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six, delivering around 375 horsepower, while the high-performance M variant might boast a 4.4-liter V8 producing over 600 horsepower. Hybrid and fully electric versions are also expected, aligning with BMW's commitment to sustainability. The electric variant, likely called the X9, could offer a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, making it a strong competitor in the luxury EV segment. All models will feature BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring exceptional handling and traction in all conditions. Inside, the 2025 BMW X9 promises to be a sanctuary of luxury and innovation. The cabin will be adorned with high-quality materials like premium leather, wood trim, and metallic accents. Expect a fully digital dashboard with BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system, featuring a curved display that combines the instrument cluster and touchscreen into one seamless unit. The X9 will also offer advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking. Rear seat passengers will enjoy ample legroom, optional reclining seats, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system with dual screens. The panoramic sunroof will flood the interior with natural light, enhancing the sense of space. Technology will be a major highlight of the 2025 BMW X9. The SUV is expected to come equipped with BMW's latest autonomous driving capabilities, allowing for hands-free driving on highways. The augmented reality head-up display will project navigation cues and other vital information directly onto the windshield, reducing distractions. The voice-activated assistant, powered by artificial intelligence, will respond to natural language commands, making it easier to control various functions. Wireless charging, a premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system, and 5G connectivity will further elevate the driving experience. BMW has also focused on sustainability, with eco-friendly materials used throughout the interior. Safety is another area where the 2025 BMW X9 will excel. The SUV will feature a comprehensive suite of safety technologies, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The robust chassis and advanced airbag system will provide maximum protection in the event of a collision. BMW's Parking Assistant Plus will make maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze, while the surround view camera system offers a 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings. Parents will appreciate the rear seat monitoring system, which allows them to keep an eye on children without turning around. Pricing for the 2025 BMW X9 is expected to start around $90,000 for the base model, with the high-performance M version crossing the $120,000 mark. The electric X9 could be priced similarly to its gas-powered counterparts, making it an attractive option for eco-conscious buyers. Deliveries are anticipated to begin in late 2024 or early 2025, with reservations opening soon. BMW enthusiasts and luxury SUV buyers are eagerly awaiting more details, as the X9 is poised to set new benchmarks in its class. The 2025 BMW X9 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the luxury SUV segment. With its striking design, powerful performance, and state-of-the-art technology, it's clear that BMW has pulled out all the stops. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly vehicle with ample space or a high-performance machine with cutting-edge features, the X9 promises to deliver. Stay tuned for more updates as BMW unveils further details about this exceptional SUV. If you're excited about the X9, let us know in the comments what features you're most looking forward to. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest automotive news and reviews.